Since Jay allowed me to borrow his motorcycle for at least 2 more days because they are at Singapore right now. They are actually attending a Christian conference. So this motorcycle will be with me up until Saturday. But I'm planning today to go to Mini Forest and then read the Bible there, doing my KJV, ASD, and then Bible study. And then after that, probably share the gospel because I'm there already. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take advantage of the time that I have this motorcycle with me. But anyways, I might be going live as well on Facebook while reading the Bible. So yeah, let's go there at Mini Forest, Malolos, Bulacan. See you later.